Hi friends, good morning. Microsoft SQL Server temporary tables எப்படி handle பண்றது அப்படிங்கிற டாபிக்ஸ் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். How to handle the temporary tables in SQL Server. So that's the topic we are going to see now. எப்படி temporary table first create பண்றது அப்படின்னு பார்க்கணும். So as like நீங்க நார்மலா எப்படி table create பண்றீங்களோ அதே மாதிரி தான், but we need to as a as symbol before that table name. For example, table temp underscore employee means, and after that employee id we need to mention as employee id, and after that employee name. Yes, that's it. Now if we click the fi means automatically the table will create. This table already exists, so that's the purpose. We in latest SQL Server we can use as a drop table if exists, like that one function will be there. So if we are now we are using this command means the automatically the table will drop if already created means. And before 2019 we can use as a if object id, and we need to as a single quotes the temp tb. Why we are using the temp tb means all the temporary table values will all the temporary tables will store in the temp tb database only. So that's the purpose we are using as a temp tb and as temp employee. This one is not null means the table already exists. So here we will use the command as a drop table. That's it. Both will work. This is the latest version, it will work. It's the older version, it will work. This will work on the older version and the latest version both. So that's it. Now the table will create. Okay. So in this temporary table, if you want, you can create the index also, no issue. Because if we need to create an index in the temporary table means, yes, it's a possible to create an index in the temporary table. Yes. Yeah, I need to truncate the temporary table. Yes, it's a possible. You can able to truncate the temporary tables. So whatever the tables you create the truncate and drop, right? Same all we can possible in that temp table also. This is the temporary table as a single hash table. This is the single hash table. This table will exist within this session only. If next session it won't come. It won't come in the next session. But if we are creating the table by using the double as means, the table will exist on next session also. See, if I will create the double as temporary table, okay, now I am going to use in the other session. See, I can able to use, but I can't able to use this single as temporary table in other session. So that's the big difference. If example, we have a two store procedures. Okay, in the one store procedures you have some inputs. That inputs it won't come to the second store procedure means we can use the double as table. But in the you are using the double as table means you manually need to drop, otherwise it will have a problem. So that's it. That's the why we are using the temporary tables. We need to maintain the data temporarily purpose means we can go for the temporary table. So that's it. That's the concept of temporary table. Thank you friends. Thank you.